Hey, you know why it's important to use many different shots, right?
No, what?
Well, for one, the audience at home assumes you're eating cereal because you're in a close-up. If you're in a medium, they'd know you're eating wine gums from a bowl.
No. All right. Hey, could you pass some milk? Cheers. I get it. So that close-up of your face showed how you don't like what I'm doing.
Well, it's gross, dude. Well, how could you find it gross if we're the same person?
Wait, we are? Quick, check the wide. Want to improve your content with a variety of shot types?
And create cool effects like this one?
Master Mobile Shorts with Vest.
Video engagement and skills training, a short form content creation course designed to help you master mobile shorts. Enroll today or sign up for our online version and start creating scroll stopping shorts.